good with it is? Back again, another video. It's your boy Raw Ink Shop, CEO of Raw Ink Shop. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can really just start like finding manufacturers for your clothing brand. Who do I use as like manufacturers for my clothing brand? So if you guys are new to my channel, please consider liking and subscribing. So off the gate, who do I use to have manufacturing? If you see what I got on, I got, you know, these hoodies, and I got, you know what I'm saying, I got my sweatpants. So y'all can see the quality in these joints, you know what I'm saying? The stitching is on T, you know what I mean? The joggers is on T. So who do I use to really get my products looking like that? And the answer is I use a lot of people. So but I'm gonna tell y'all the ones who I use. One of my persons that I use mainly is Printful. It's a company where you can print on demand and really just get like your designs. You do your designs, and then they make the shirts, and then they send it out for your customers. So Printful is my kind of like one of my main plugs for print on demand. Another one is Printify. I used them in the past, but I use them for like shoes and stuff. I have some shoes. I don't have them on me right now, but I have some shoes, and it's a good way to, if you want to step your game up and start selling apparel, and start selling shoes too. Printify was one of those too. So check out those websites. It's not a sponsor or stuff like that. So another place you can try to use, I heard a lot of people that are using manufacturers from overseas, like Pakistan, because I know a lot of them, they hit me on my Instagram account. So you can take a chance on it, but you might find a good deal on that. Just basically, pretty much having like somebody that's overseas sending you the products, and then you might get a deal on that. And I don't have an actual name because there'll be a lot of those. But another way where I used to do, like for me, I used to buy like wholesale clothes, and I will have my own, like I have a printer machine, I have a press machine, and I used to have my, cut them out, and I'll have a printer, an inkjet printer, and I would just print out like all my pictures and stuff like that, and I will cut it out myself, and I'll just print it on. I'll go to Staples. I'll run to Staples and get the white sheet, the paper and stuff, and I'll do the printing stuff. So it was a lot of work I did in the past, just with clothing brand, with my clothing brand. I noticed how much work it was, and I kind of was like, man, this feels like work, like. And that's the whole point of me having a clothing brand, was I wanted to have passive income and to really just have my business flowing and passively. So I knew that me doing it like that felt like work, and I didn't want to do that long term. So that's when I started doing print on demand. And my gosh, like the quality has changed tremendously, because the quality before was like, it was kind of trash. I'm not gonna lie, because I was doing it myself. I'm not like, I was cutting the papers off, and I was messing up the orders because I was overheating them when you hit the press machine. So a lot of flaws that I could have avoided, I could have just did it on the print on demand, but I didn't know these things. See, so hopefully you guys are watching these videos and gaining information. All I ask for you do, just make sure you subscribe, man. Right now, if you ain't subscribed, stop this video, go subscribe, because we getting some juicy stuff, man. So a lot of things, like for me, like I heard like stories, and like I didn't get no information how I can do it. There's like gatekeepers and people that are business owners that run clothing brand and don't really want to tell you. So I feel like I'm a real person, and I feel like everybody can really come up, you know what I'm saying? So it's not really that it's enough money for everybody, and it's enough talent out there to really get your vision together. So that's why I make these videos. That's why I make these podcasts, is for people to get motivated and to thrive in the world, be entrepreneurs like myself. So another thing is, when you're running a clothing brand, you got to really study the analytics. You got to study your spending, and you got to really like learn like all the things behind scenes and stuff like that. So investments, like having equipments and having lights and stuff like that, is all part of the process. So when you're finding these manufacturers and stuff like that, you want to make sure you're taking good photos good pictures and posting them on your social media. So, you know, when they coming in, you getting them from, you go to your manufacturers that I plugged you in with, now they coming in, you taking nice photos and you putting them on your website or you putting them on your Instagram account. These are ways that's gonna instantly make you sales, because the quality, hopefully, if you guys got the brands, if you've been watching my videos, check my playlist, but the quality is gonna sell itself. If it's good quality, if it's a good logo that matches the target audience that you're going for, it's gonna sell itself. I'm guaranteed it's gonna sell itself. So those are my plugs that I use from my manufacturer. Hopefully, if you guys found this video, all I ask for y'all to do is like, subscribe, and make sure y'all tune in for these gems, man, because these gems are free. All I ask for returns, so you can like to subscribe, man. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you on my next video and my raw ink shop video. So make sure y'all be safe, y'all. Peace.